15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Then 5 left in, 130, long 5 right opens, 100, turn hairpin right tight. Then very long 3 left, 100, turn hairpin left over bump. 200, mid over long crest, then 3 left in, 3 left in, into 2 right, into mid over crest, 300 line. 2 left, into bump, into 3 left, don't cut, 3 left, 150, long, 2 right to a small crest, into 2 left, into 9 right opens, and 6 left opens at sky, to 3 left, into crest 200, 2 right 170, long 3 right opens over crest, into 10 right and continues. .170, chicane, stay right. No, go to the left a bit. Then 2 right, 300 up the middle. A 3 right over junction in. Into middle of a crest bump, 300 line. Long 5 left, tightens at crest to 8 left, don't cut on exit. Into 3 left of a crest. Then 2 left, 350. 350. Small crest, then 3 left and open hairpin right. 3 left and open hairpin right. Then 8 right tightens over crest, into 5 left in. Then 1 left into 2 right line, then 2 right, 150, 2 left, 100, small crest, sudden sharp hairpin left. And 4 right in, then 2 left, into 2 right over crest, 150 line, 2 left, into 8 left, 4 right, don't cut, 150 line, 8 left, 4 right, 100, 2 left over crest, 200 line, 4 left, tightens, narrows in, 200 line, 4 right, 100, to 3 left in, into 5 right in late, into 8 left tight, into 7 left, into 3 left in, into long 8 right, into hairpin left. Then 2 left 100, 2 left over crest 150, a very long 5 right tightens in dip, 100, long 4 right, 100, very long 5 right tightens at the bush, into turn hairpin right. 200, loose. Turn hairpin left of a bump. Into 6 right opens. Into long 4 right. 230, new stones. A crest. 3 left loose. 300 through dip. Long 6 left tightens. Continues tightens. And 6 right in. 6 right in. Then sharp 9 left. And 3 left in. Into turn hairpin right. 200. $200. 8 right. And 3 right in. And 5 left. 100. 4 right tightens of a crest. 130 line. A 7 left in. And 2 right. And crest. 4 left, well in, and 1 right, crest, 2 left, 350 through dip, all the way down to the bottom, a 5 right, don't cut, then long 5 right tightens, into 5 left in through dip, and turn 8 left, 9 right, don't cut, into 7 left in, and very long 4 left, and 2 right, 170, long 2 left, and 2 right, 130, long 7 left, tightens, in, into 4 right of a crest, then long 8 left tightens of a finish, 170, to long 5 right. Okay.